The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Hey, are you looking to get married, looking to buy a house or car, or maybe even considering a home remodel this year? Pamela Cotton, Vice President of Member Services at Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, has tips for us on the best loans for major life milestones. Pam, good to see you. And let's talk about why loans are often needed for some of those big milestones that we hit.
Yeah, so you said it, big milestones, they usually cost a lot of money. So typically with the large financial commitment, there's not enough in savings to take care of it. So it's the perfect time to go to your credit union to get that loan to take care of it. It's going to give you the immediate access to the funds. You don't have to deplete your savings account. And then when we talk about spreading costs over time, there's not a big bulk of money that you've spent, and you're going to be able to pay it back over time, right? And then getting the loan, you're going to build credit history as well, which is definitely going to help you in times now. You know, getting an apartment, buying insurance, all those things factor into what your credit history is.
Absolutely, and those on-time payments, having a long credit history.
Makes all the difference.
Exactly, that's what a good score is all about. Okay,
Yes.
How can we ensure that we choose the right loan for some of these things?
Yeah, so you want to look at what's right for your situation. So how much money do you have in savings? Do you need to make a down payment? If you get all of it, if you borrow 100% of that loan, what are the payments going to be? Are you going to be able to afford those payments? So maybe if you can't, you consider putting some money down to make it a lower payment. And then look at your different loan options. There are different types of loans. What are you borrowing for? So make sure that's going to fit your situation. And then how does that look for you in the future? What does that loan do? Is it going to be in the way? Is it going to cause problems? Things like that. You want to make sure you're in the right place.
Okay, Pam, can you give us maybe some examples, including what type of loan would be best for the milestone we're talking about?
Right. So let's say the biggest one that most people consider, you're buying a home. So who has enough cash to pay for a home? Unless you have this big windfall, nobody, right?
Almost nobody.
Exactly. So that's why we have mortgage loans, and those are great things for you to do. So consider coming to the credit union because we offer mortgages as well. But buying a car, typically some people may be able to pay cash or maybe half down, but getting that loan is going to help you. We have great auto loan rates for you to come and buy that vehicle. But let's say you bought that home, you've been in it for a while, things start happening, you need to do some repairs, or maybe the family is growing and you want to expand and build on it. A home equity loan is a great opportunity because you've had that loan for a while, you've been paying down, you're building equity. So that's the perfect way to get a lower interest rate loan because you're going to have that collateral.
Sounds good to me, Pam. Thank you for your expertise.
Thank you, Rosie.
To learn more about all of the services Austin Telco Federal Credit Union has to offer, visit atfcu.org. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.